Hi friends, welcome back to Brown Love. This is me Sharon back again with a new video. I know मैं बहुत लेट हो चुकी हूँ और मैं बहुत दिनों से कुछ पोस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ. I have been busy in my life. अभी आज का जो वीडियो डेडिकेट किया है वो हर एक जन कर सकते हैं, बी इट हाउस वाइफ और वर्किंग वुमेन या फिर कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट. सो जो भी प्रोडक्ट्स मैंने यूज़ किए हैं वो अंडर 500 है. सो इट इज़ pocket friendly and under budget, and it is very easy, very simple makeup. So let's not talk much and let's start with the video. So let's start with the first thing, that is moisturizing. I'm using Pond's Superlight gel, and afterwards I will be applying a lip balm which is from Wadi. So guys, let me tell you one thing, before you are applying a makeup or anything, please hydrate your skin and lips because it's very mandatory. So after moisturizing and everything, I'm gonna be applying sunscreen. I'm using Neutrogena sunscreen over here and I'm dotting it, and then with my hand I will be applying it all over my face as well as neck. Neck is also important guys, so do not forget to apply cream or sunscreen over there. Gently massage it and spread it all over your face, and we are ready. So now we'll start with the primer. So if you are a oily skin or if you have large pores, primer will help you out to eliminate this pores and also try to reduce it, and will give you a soft and clean canvas to work on, and it will be very good for your foundation. So after dotting it, I'm gonna be applying it on my T-zone. So I'm mostly concentrating on the T-zone area, that is my forehead, nose and chin area. So we have prepped the skin well. Now we can start with the makeup. So I always start with the eyeshadow first. So I am taking concealer from Maybelline. This particular concealer is my favorite because it is very matte and gives me a very fine canvas, as you guys can see it. So I apply it on my lid as well as under eye to hide my dark circles and pigmentation. So after applying this, with the damp beauty blender, I am gonna be doing a dabbing motion and blending it onto my skin. So after getting this canvas, I'm gonna be taking Makeup Revolution palette, and I'm taking this orange nude color and I'm gonna be applying it on my outer corner of my eyelid. Later on, I will be taking the same color and I am applying it onto the inner corner of my eyes. I won't be putting so much pigment on the inner corner because I am looking for a smoky effect, though it will not have dark colors, but it will give me an effect like a smoky eye. Repeating the same step to the other eyelid as well. Now I will do my brows. I'm not a person who like to do a perfect eyebrows because I have a very bushy eyebrows as you guys can see it. So I don't like to do too much work on my eyebrows. I just draw lines and fill the gaps, and it is something that I do it very easily because I don't have to do a lot of work over there. I am blessed with a good eyebrows, I believe. So I don't spend a lot of time doing my eyebrows. I just draw lines, and later on when I'm done with making and filling the gaps, I take the brush side of the pencil and just comb it through to give a definition to my eyebrows, as you guys can see it. So I'm pretty happy with the look. And one thing that I wanted to try is the trend of putting a lot of blush on your cheeks, and that too red color, and it is pretty trending too much. I've seen a lot of reels regarding this, so I thought of doing it and let's see how it goes. So after applying it, I'm using my hands and I'm doing a dabbing motion and spreading it out evenly, and I'm gonna be doing same to the other side as well. And basically in this particular time I started looking like a tomato, but then still I didn't lost my hope on it. I've seen their transformation, so I kept doing it, and at certain point I thought I I will look like a clown, or I might end up looking like a clown, but then it's okay. Life is about taking risk, right? So I just took it, and I'll see the end result, and you guys will also see the end result. So I guess I'm happy with this, and that's too much redness on my cheek, and now I look like a tomato, and that's too messy. Look at my hand, guys. But I'm doing it just because I wanted to try it, and I will be giving you the honest review about this. So I'm done. So now let's do the concealer. I'm using Fit Me concealer. I'm gonna be applying it on the inner corner of my eyes, lower lash, and this is also a trend which is going on to give you a lifted look. I don't know, I'm just trying it out. Let's see. And using the same beauty blender, and I'm gonna be doing the dabbing motion and blending it out evenly. And this technique is very good because you are saving lot of lot of product. After this, I will be baking it with Fit Me powder, and taking the same blender, and I'm just dabbing it and baking my under eye. So now I will be applying foundation. I'm using Fit Me foundation. Don't drag it, dab it. Do not forget to apply it on your neck. I am happy with the result, friends. To be honest, it looks very pretty and gorgeous in real life as well. So now I will be applying a white liner, and after that I will be taking the same color and will be applying it on my lower lash. I am using this champagne color from the palette to brighten up my eyes, and will be applying it only on my inner corner. So this is how it looks. It instantly gave so much brightness. Now I'm applying a mascara, and I love this mascara, guys. Trust me, you don't even need a fake lashes if you are having this one. Just look how magical my eyelashes look right now. This is just like 2 or 3 strokes, and it looks so pretty and gorgeous. This one is my base. Look at my eyes. Look how beautiful and gorgeous my eyes looks after applying mascara. And I don't even need falsies, bro. So now let's do the lips. I'm removing the excess lip balm and applying a nude shade from Lakme. The shade is Pink Silk, I believe. It is pink nude, and I will be applying a gloss as well, which is from Nykaa. The gloss looks like this, and it is nude color, and the shade is Honey Boo. If you are a person who like matte look, you can obviously go for this. But nowadays glosses are in trend, and I don't want to be out of trend, so I will be trying it. Though I love this look, so I am applying Honey Boo on my lips, and it gives that insta shine and glossy effect which I am in currently, and I'm loving it. Now comes my favorite part, that is highlighting. I'm using Flower Chubby Stick, which is very good, guys. You guys need to get your hands on this. Chubby Stick is like glory. It shines so much, and it's so creamy, and the texture is so nice. I really love it, and I love the glossiness that I get. Look at this, guys. I love this. Look at that ultra shine and the glossiness on my cheeks and my face. I really love it. I'm so much in love with this. I also apply it on my eyebrows as well as on my Cupid's bow, which looks very cute, guys. This is how I look, and full desi swag. And I really love this look because it's very muted and nude, not too much, and very perfect for daily wear and office wear or college wear. That's it for today. This is the final look. So I have paired it up with a good Indian jewelry and earring, and for necklace I'm already wearing a necklace, and that is something I usually wear it every single day. So ये है फाइनल लुक. आई होप यू गाइज लाइक्ड इट, एंड this is very nude, and I don't know, lately I am so much into this, and the viral trend that is going on, that is the blush. I have tried it, and मेरे लिए it did work, and I don't like using liner and kajal. There was a time that I used to never step out from my home without a liner or a kajal, but now I don't think it's mandatory for me to wear it. So I hope you guys liked this video and you enjoyed it, and sorry the background noise if you're hearing it. I'm sorry for that. Please, it is some religious prayers are going on, so please forgive me for that. And I hope you guys enjoy this one, and I will be back soon with a new video, and I will try to post lot. I guess I will try, and I hope you guys like it. If you guys are new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe my channel, and give me love and support by liking this video as well as by subscribing to this channel. And let's see what I will be doing next video. If you guys have any suggestion, do not forget to comment down, and I will surely make a video on that. And do not forget to subscribe my channel and be a part of my family if you're new to this channel. If you're watching this video for first time, do not forget to hit the bell icon as well, so that you get notified whenever I'm uploading a new video. So that's it for today. I will be back with a new video. Until then, please take care of yourself, stay at home, and I love ya. Bye.